So now let's see how we can work around with survey block inside of wordpress.com. So over here, if I want to go ahead and add in a survey block, I need to go ahead over here in the blank page and click on add block right here. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and type in survey, let's say for example, and then you can see that I can go ahead and add in a survey block right here. It says paste a link to the survey you want to display on your site. So I need to first create a survey, and as I click on it, it takes me to the Crowd Signals website. So let me just go ahead and log in to create a survey website right here. So I've already created an account right here. So this is what I have. So I'm going to go to create new and choose survey right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, add in a free text right here and enter out a question like, what do you think about the use of Wikipedia, let's say for example right here. So I can go ahead and add in more contents as well, but let me just go ahead and save this out, and you can see that I have the survey right here. Then you can add in multiple choice questions like, do you think it is a reliable source of information right here, just like this. So I can go ahead right here and then type in yes and no, and let me just go ahead and add in a maybe right here as well. And then you can see that this is what I have. So let me just go ahead and save this. And now you can go ahead and click on share, and you can copy out the link right here, just like this. So now I'm simply going to go ahead and copy out the link. You can also go ahead, edit out the link right here, like TutorTube sample survey right here. So let's just go ahead and type that in, and then it has been changed. So I'm just going to copy that to clipboard and then go around back and paste around the link right here and click on embed. So once you go ahead and do that, the survey link is here, as you can see right here. And if I were to go ahead and publish this out right here, I haven't published this page, so I have an option right here to publish it. I can now view the post right here, and you can see the survey right here, which is actually editable. So you can go ahead and say, I think it is getting better and better. And let's say I'm going to go around and say for reliable source, let's just go around over here, select maybe right here. You can go ahead, finish the survey, and then it will be submitted right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the survey block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.